Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Spring jdbc. Yes, previous video I got some problem in Eclipse. uh, some compatibility issues come, that's why I didn't take that part. In this video we will develop our first application of Spring jdbc. First in first I will before we developing our first application, I have to discuss one thing. In we discussed that first thing I will discuss our jdbc template class. In jdbc template class, two types of methods are there. One is direct methods, another one is method with callback interfaces. In jdbc template class, give me a minute. jdbc template class, there are two types of method. One is direct method and another one is callback interfaces. First is our direct methods, what are given by the jdbc template class, and have callback interfaces. This is callback interfaces. Best is callback interfaces. This is best. This is best. What is direct methods means all the logics are ready-made. We cannot add custom logics to get customized result. The indirect methods, all logics are ready-made. We cannot add custom logics to get customized result. But in callback interfaces, we will be automatically having jdbc object as the argument value. So we can use this jdbc object to write custom jdbc code to get custom result. Here abstraction on plain jdbc code is the main expertise. In direct methods is here main aim is to abstraction plain jdbc, but it is jdbc code plus customization of results in the main aspects. Means if we read data from table, then we can store that in our we can store in our format like that. Okay. For example, it's for example, give me time. It likes hostels. It likes staying in hostels and attend classes, but in callback interfaces like staying in PGs, where they provide kitchens in the rooms, like that example. Okay. Then we will first discuss jdbc direct class methods. Direct class methods. Direct class methods. First is query for object method. Query for object method, where we can use query for object if the SQL query is giving is giving values, is giving single values, then go for query for object method. For example, our like select count star from event is select all the counts. Select count star from EMP, employee table from EMP. Then another example is select something like select employee name or employee ID, name or ID from employee, where the employee number is anything like I'll tell you example 2. I'll write it. Select employee name from EMP table where EMP number is equal to something, right? Then this is the first method, and the second method is query for map method. Like okay, I'm giving writing this. If the SQL query is giving single record, then go for query from map method. Like a single record means I'll write that query. example. mm, Example means okay, select emp number, my emp name. Where's emp name? We are taking all this thing now. Emp name, sorry, emp name is that emp name, then job, then sal from emp where emp is equal to 7499. okay, then it gives map object like that. Map object like that. Here is the empno, then emp name, then job, then sal, then job, then sal. Okay, what is this first? This is empno, like empno. What is this emp? Sorry, empno. Then what is the number is 7499. Then means let's assume emp name. Emp name means ename. Sorry, ename is Alan is there. Then job is, assume job is clerk is there. Then job, then salary, assume 16,000 is there. Then it gives a record. Then we go for query for map object. Then another method is there. That method is query for list, where you can use if the SQL query, if the SQL query gives multiple records or rows, multiple records or rows, then use query for list. It's like okay, for example, like I'm giving example is select empno, ename, job, sal from emp, where job is equal to clerk. Okay, means in employee table clerk is having more records than then every clerk which every gives every EMP number, EMP name, jobs all where the job is clerk means where in database table in our table where clerk is there, every table will give like I'll give you a design like this. Like this, we have objects are there, map objects like this map object, map object, map object. This map objects, it holds a record like this, means holds this record like this. Okay, then fourth method is only update method. If the SQL query is non-select query like our insert, update, delete, not select query, then use update method. Like our insert into some employee and update employee, like that. We'll see this. I'll write the example. Okay, I will write one example. Example is our insert into EMP. Insert into EMP and O, then EMP name. Sorry, okay, the name is not the E name. Name job cell. Values will give dynamically. Okay, like that. Also our update query is there. update emp set salary is equal to salary plus something where job where job is equal to something. Means if government decide we have to increase the clerk salary, then the current salary plus some amount of salary where the clerk is there. Means for example clerk, if salesman then sales, like that, manager then manager, like. Then another one is delete from emp where salary is greater than is equal to something and salary less than is equal to something. We'll do that in practically. Okay, let's start our application. Then our first application development. Then this is the first application, our first application development. Then what is the step one? Step one is ready our DB software with emp table. Okay, emp table. Okay, then let's start our DB software. SQL command line is there. Okay, let me check. I have SQL developer also there or not. Yes, I have SQL developer. Okay, not required this. I have SQL developer. Okay, let this open. Okay, then next step is create a maven standalone project. Okay, standalone project. Okay, yes, here is there. My local connection is there. There. I am typing my password. If you don't know this, we can use here command also. Command line also, where on is there. User name is system, password is password. I type in my password, then select star emp is there. Yes, my emp table is there here. If I saw in SQL developer, this is like GU type for understanding purpose. There is the tables, and there is my emp table. Yes, here is my emp table. Here is the data of emp table. Okay, let's start our application. Our database software is ready. Okay, then we will start up our application in here, in where we go file, new Maven project. Okay, second step is file, new Maven project, then next. Next, then what is the next? Then we will type our archetype like Maven hyphen this is like I. Okay, this is like double I. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Okay, let's say here is the Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Here it is. What is our group ID? Group ID means your company name. Like let me give our company name. This PVT PVT LTD. Okay, group artifact ID is our Spring jdbc first Spring jdbc first project, simple jdbc template. Direct methods. Okay, direct methods. com dot rp dot company dot rp means Ritesh Private Limited dot rpl dot test class. I want default test methods. Create. Then we will go for mvn repository who gives dependencies like our to work with my Oracle software. Then I want jdbc jar file. I need this jdbc jar file. Okay, control C. I need this. I have to put in pom.xml. Put this jdbc jar. Then I need compiler 11, not need 1.719. 11 is there. Then I want with Spring now. Then I want Spring context support to Spring context support for our Spring core dependencies. I'll put this also. Then I know a Spring jdbc. I need Spring jdbc. Okay, where is that Spring jdbc? I need jdbc. I need then I need what? Then I need Hikari for our data source. Hikari cp for my database. Okay. Okay. What I clicked? Sorry. Same. I need Hikari data source. Okay. I need these dependencies. Okay. And this. Okay. Service. Capture, save, then here. Today gone. No worries. Okay. Okay, I will put that and I will show you that. Then let's do this first. Then yes, this dependency is added. Here is the dependency, yes, camp, but Java version is not camp. Maven object project. Maven object project. Okay. Yes, sun is camp. Then we'll go for our first thing. Where it is that we'll create a first we'll create a package com dot rpl dot configuration config finish. Then in this config we will create our configuration, what, spring bean configuration file. Where is that? Yes, I got it. Then here we will do application context dot xml. You can take any name here, no worries. Yes, I needed context support, mean support. Okay, finish. Yes, I need some jdbc support also. Okay, jdbc also. Okay, first what we will do, we will first create our hikari actually na bin id what id is equal to hikari data source. Hikari data source. Okay, hkds. And class is what, hikari control space. We will get hikari data source here. Where we get hikari data source. Then okay, we get hikari data source. Then need our property file. I need driver class name for my oracle is for oracle is oracle colon jdbc oracle not colon oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. Okay, then property name is what, property name is url. Then here is jdbc url. Then value is jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon local host. It uses the local host and port number is 1521 and it's a express JSON. Okay, then we need what, username, property name, username. Username is what? Username is system. Username is system. Then property name, property name is password. Then value is, you'll give your password here. Then our property tag, how many times your this data source object is there. Minimum ideal time is 10 seconds. Okay, minimum ideal time is 10 seconds, and I want the pool size is 100. Name, maximum pool size is 100. Sorry, 1000 I will give. Pool size is 1000. Okay. Yes, we did our data source configuration. This is what data source configuration. Then what we did that in last class, this data source will handle our jdbc template class. Then what will create our jdbc then we will create our jdbc template class. Okay, then bin id is equal to what? Template class. Template, and the class is equal to what? Class is equal to jdbc There is the jdbc template. Here is that jdbc template class. Then what we will do? We will do constructor injection. Property name is what? Data source. Property name is data source. Property name is data source. I will inject constructor is there, ref to inject the value. The value is what? HKDS. Okay, did it. Then we have to enable the component scan. We have to enable component scan. We have to enable component scan. What is that component scan? Like context component scan. Base package is what? com.rpl, the base package. Okay, we did everything. Then it's localhost jdbc colon oracle colon thing colon localhost. Okay. Okay, we did that. Then we will do our DAO class. New class. What is that? com dot rpl dot DAO package. In this DAO package I need what DAO class na. Okay. Employee DAO. Sorry, first we will do interface com dot rpl dot com dot rpl dot DAO. What is the DAO? DAO contains employee DAO I means interface. Okay, finish this. Okay. In there is a public method. Public method is there. Public int get what employee count. Employee count. Okay, employee count is there. Then we will develop our implementation class. Class is employee DAO IMPL implementation class, which is extends employee DOI. Okay. Then it's a DAO class. Then it contains repository I'll take empdao. I'll take this. Okay. Repository means it is like specialization of components can useful for configuring the DAO class as the Spring Bean, and like and at the rate service annotation is there. This is also specialization of component useful to configure the Java class as a service layer class, which we can write our logics, business logics, and at the rate component we use to tell that IOC containers application context container is this class is the Spring. This class is a Spring Bean class. This Java class is a Spring Bean class, like this. Okay. Then we'll do what we'll do. We will create our jdbc template variable. Better to take private jdbc template jt, it will give the object of data source. Okay, then we have to create a query. Okay, private static final string. What is the query? What is the query? Query is get mp count is equal to, what is the emp count? Okay, we'll write the logic here. Select count what? Count star how many rows are there? Emp table. Okay, count from emp. Okay, then it will come through another read auto word annotation. Then we will get count int count is equal to what? jt dot, and it's single na, that's why I will use query for object. Okay, sorry, jt dot query for object. How many overloading classes are there? Okay, count null, and what it will come? Integer type. Then I will take, it will come as integer type. Integer type, then integer dot class type will come. Okay, return what? Return count. Okay, then we will develop our service class. Okay, our do class is done, so I got the none, and we'll do our interface like count dot rpl dot service. Okay, then service class, in service class like employee service interface is there. Okay, interface. This interface contains public method, public int some so employee count, so employee count. Okay, this method is there. Okay, I'm just doing normal things. Okay, then I have class called employee service. I am implementation class. I will add employee service, and I will take it finish. Hmm. Okay, then this is so this is third service class whose id is emp service. Okay, emp service. Then I will create an instance for private interface. What is the interface? Is there emp hi emp dev. Okay, then yes, it's going to write in auto void. Then int count is equal to what? Emp dev dot class get emp count. Okay, we get the count here, and this count I will return here. Okay, done. Our service class is done. Service class is done. Let's develop the client application. Where is that of that Java? I will take jdbc template direct method test. Okay, then that rename the file here, and this other world things not required. Okay, we will create our class path application context here. Say dx is equal to new class path application context. Here is the our com slash rtl slash config slash application context dot xml start application context xml. Okay. Then what? Then I will create okay. Then it is our employee services here. Okay. Then here I will create the interface. What is that? Employee, not you. Employee service. Employee service is equal to ctx dot get bean admin. What is the bin id? Bin id is emp service. Yes, no, emp service is there. Then employee service I dot class. I pass this 0 for recognizing runtime. Then service class I create the ISC container. I will write here ISC container. Then it is then it is getting service class object. Okay, then here invoking the business method. Okay, invoking the business method. What is the business method? Int count. The business method return type is integer. Then I will take int. Then service dot sorry, which service it will came here? So employee count. Okay, so employee count. Employee count is there. Then yes, out some employee count. Okay, sorry. Okay, here is the count. Close the IOC. What is 88? Close. Done. Everything is saved. Okay, and let's run the application. Here is the error came. What is the error? Null password given, login denied. Okay, give me a second. I'll put my password. Okay, I gave the password. Okay, let's run again. Okay, yes, employee count is 15. Came. Let's see how many employees are there in our table. Total 15 employees are there. Came. Okay, guys, that's all for the video. In next video we will discuss our query for list, query for object, everything. Thank you.